Premature ejaculation, a sexual generated problem. Premature ejaculation is a sexual problem on account of which the male sexual partner experiences very rapid ejaculation. Premature ejaculation is found to be very much common among the male generation and who are below the age of 40 years. Every male at least once in their lifetime experiences premature ejaculation. Premature ejaculation means the ejaculation which occurs before the wish of both the sexual co-partners. Premature ejaculation enables the male sexual partner to reach the sexual climax within a very short span of time. Premature ejaculation may be either primary or secondary, depending upon its outcome. Primary condition implies that the sexual partner experiences premature ejaculation once when they became capable of performing sex with the attainment of the puberty stage. On the other hand, secondary factor of premature ejaculation is experienced when an individual has reached a mature stage of their life. During premature ejaculation, the male organs which are involved are basically the reproductive tract, which consists of the penis, the testicles, the prostate, the seminal vesicle. Premature ejaculation, when it is frequently experienced, there is no necessity of concern, but when it gets frequent it necessitates some medical advice and also medical treatment. Premature ejaculation may thus be considered as a sexual dysfunction. A proper definition of premature ejaculation may be stated as a rapid or quick ejaculation which leads the partner to come before his sexual partner experience the climax. There are certain causes which are related with premature ejaculation. Most importantly, stress, depression, tiredness, anxiety, undertaking of certain medicines, and such health problems causes premature ejaculation. Thus, it is not only the physical factors which causes premature ejaculation, but also there are certain psychological and mental factors which causes premature ejaculation. Basically, to overcome premature ejaculation, the sufferers opt for certain medical treatment with the intake of certain medicines, but if they don't get the proper outcome or the result from it, depressions, anxieties, tension, and certain complexes may crop up in them. So now the question arises as to what is the perfect solution to overcome premature ejaculation. Well, the answer is to, to it may be seek out through certain use of sprays, desensitizing creams, pleasure balms, certain ayurvedic and herbal medication, and also through some forms of yoga, stimulation and squeezing techniques and exercise. A proper sexual position is also important in the process of overcoming premature ejaculation. If you are serious about knowing more about premature ejaculation, make sure you check out this site right here. This site is helping thousands of people get solution in overcoming premature ejaculation problems. You can check it out instantly by clicking the link in my video below.